Alright guys, I'm sending this alert out to our trade group here. Only 100 and only 150 points of risk. Tiny loss potential. Okay, so we're gonna be buying the dip here in Bitcoin. Shit. Right here. Let's go. Boom. Okay, here we are. What the fuck was that, Phil? Oh my, it gave me the worst possible fill there. Okay, so we're buying the dip right here. And we got our stop loss set at 29,549. 29,549. We'll lose $2,200 if we're wrong, guys. But 29,549. Oh shit. Boom, bitch. Alright, that was close. That right there was close. But basically, we can get an extremely volatile bounce up here, up to 30,400, okay? Then you risk very small amount to gain quite a bit, okay? So let's see here. Looks like my entry could have been better. I should have probably entered at 29.5. I should have probably entered at my stop loss, guys. So let's see here, 29,222. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Okay. All right. Here we go. Look at that wick down. That can't be real, man. Let's see here. 29,560. 29,560. So that was a bad entry, to be honest. I should have been a little bit better on the entry. All right, 29,560. Let's go here. Okay. All right, re-entered. Oh shit. 29,560. 560. Okay. Let's see here. Stop loss. Say 29,386. 29,386. Man, it's a little hard to text the group at the same time I'm doing this. New stop loss at, let's see here, 29,386. 386. Fucking 386. 29,386. Got stopped out and lost 2,200 already on first attempt. This is my last. Okay, so let's see here. Now we got this stop loss set. 29,513 is where I'm going to enter some more. 29,513. Let's go ahead and enter some right there. Okay, so basically we're risking super tiny amounts, right? So yeah, if we get stopped out, we lose a little bit of money. But the potential on a volatile quick bounce here, okay, back up, is going to be proportionately larger or unproportionately larger and greater than the loss potential here. Okay, so that is the plan here, is to get a volatile bounce off of this dump here, as Jerome Powell is probably speaking right now, I believe. Okay, so that is the plan, and if we lose, we lose. But there's a great risk to reward here. So for example, let's go over, what will we gain on a quick little bounce of 30,200, which is very common situation here. 29,560, quick little bounce of 30,200. Boom, it's 5,700, right? So, yeah, that we're in, and we're risking very little if we're wrong, guys. All right. So that's the plan. We got these limit orders getting filled right here, and then that's it. Okay, so risking 2,000, 1,800 bucks, and if we can get a quick bounce back up, we make money. If not, we get stopped out and we accept the loss, guys. Okay. So guys, we're locked and loaded. I love the position we have. We have extremely minimal risk. Okay, it's gonna be volatile. Yes, we can get stopped out. Yes, we can lose. But what we're risking, like I said, is unproportional or unproportionate to how much we will gain on a very volatile bounce here. So, for example, right, where's our stop loss? It's right here at 29,386, right? So risking 0.8% to make okay on a volatile bounce, guys. We can bounce 3.5% within seconds. Okay, so it's not even, it's such a fair trade. Okay, how much we can gain compared to how much we can lose, it's not fair, right? It's not fair to the market, but it's great for us, right? And so yes, the market can take our money. Yes, the market can beat us on this trade, but over time we're gonna win this, and when we do win this, the wins will add up to be so much greater than the losses, and that's why you can be comfortable with losing when you trust the process and you trust the charts, and you're kind of calculated with how much am I going to gain, how much am I going to lose. Okay, most of the time when you guys enter trades, you don't ask yourself how much am I going to lose if I'm wrong. All right, what am I risking and how much will I gain if I'm right. Okay, when you ask these things in advance, there's no surprises. I know if I lose, I'm going to lose $3,000 or $2,200, $3,000, right? So there's no surprises here. The trade's set, and nothing else is really in my control now. I just got to let the trade do its thing and trust the charts, okay? And I know that there's a good probability I win and we get a massive bounce up here, and a very quick one too. All right, guys, I think there's a very good chance we've nailed my plan here, okay? So right here, obviously, our stop loss is in place, right? And we have risk, okay? But what I'm calling for is we're gonna pump up here, is my plan, okay? If I'm right that we're gonna pump up, we're gonna make a lot of money. Whereas if I'm wrong, we're gonna lose a little bit of money compared to how much we're gonna gain. So that's why I told everyone, look at this pump, baby. Fuck yes. See, guys? I know what the fuck I'm doing, guys. So I told everyone pump coming is the plan, right? I told this with my alert. And, it's going to be volatile, like I said, okay? But if we can follow through with this pump, what we gain is unproportionate to what we lose. That right there is a pretty damn good entry, okay? The first time, yeah, we did get stopped out just a little early, and we got an unlucky fill on that market order, okay? But this is the trade. Like, okay, so let's say I didn't get that first loss of around 2,200 bucks on that first attempt when I market ordered. This would be the attempt right here. So that 2,200 loss I took was a little unnecessary, but this is my second shot at it, and hopefully the second shot pays off. Price is crazy whenever there's Fed meetings, or I don't know if it's a Fed meeting or just Jerome Powell decided to talk today or something. I don't listen to the interview, or if they're talking to him, or where is he? Is he on CNBC? I don't know. Okay. Is he on some stream somewhere? I don't know. I just know how to trade the charts. And so I know that I'm expecting a pump here, and if I'm right, I make a lot of money on that, guys. Okay? So this just shows you don't need the news. You don't need to hear the Fed meeting. You don't need to know these things. You just need to know how to trade the charts. The charts will tell you, or like, you don't need to know the news to trade the chart, okay? So it's pretty cool stuff. And to some people that sounds like, stupid shit. They don't believe that you can actually trade the chart without the news, because I guarantee you, I believe Jerome Powell is out there speaking or saying something right now. I don't care what he says, okay? The charts tell me everything I need to know, okay? All right, guys, that's the live alert I've sent. You saw me. It's kind of hard to send out the live alert on such a fast and volatile trade like this one, especially when the Federal Reserve or whoever's talking, because I know how price gets after these Federal Reserve meetings and stuff. Price just gets super, super volatile. So it's hard to send these messages out in real time, like whenever it's this live and this volatile. But, I managed. So you can see I show everyone the stop loss and what we're doing. So if you want to join, it's the first link down below in the description of this video. And this is the trade we're taking today. So guys, I've completely called this pump, right? You just saw the S&P 500 was way down here when I called for this pump. The trade is not won yet, okay? I haven't taken any profit. This trade can still turn into a loser, and that would be on me, right? That would be on me for not taking the profit. All right, guys, taking profit on half the position there. So remember, you just saw me. I just lost like, what, $2,500-ish? Okay, now I'm going to go take that profit. So now, no matter what, I'm pretty much not going to lose money no matter what happens now, right? I covered that previous loss, and now the rest can run as a free trade here, okay? So pretty sweet, right? Now no matter what happens, I got peace of mind. I know I'm good, I know I'm fine. I'm not going to lose, money today, and now I have a free trade that can run and make me money, okay? So just like I'm telling you live in this video, right, I just told everyone, look, I'm locking in 2,300, so no matter what happens, we end up in profit today, okay? The rest is a free trade with massive pump potential, okay? So now, look at this. Nothing bad can happen to us at this point. We can only make money at this point or break even on the day. So that's the trade right now. And let's hope it exceeds expectations. Let's hope it go pumps to the moon, right? But my expectations are modest. I actually don't feel that confident right now in this. I actually feel like there's like at least a 60%. I actually lean more towards the probability that we're not going to pump out anymore. Okay. So I may actually take profit. I'm going to take profit on some more here. Okay. And so let's see here. Locked in profit. And that's just because that's my feeling, is I don't actually trust the upside here. Okay, now if I had a better feeling about the upside potential here, I wouldn't take any profit there because it would already, I'd be confident in the upside there, right? But I don't feel so confident in the upside. But look, let it prove me wrong and let it go to the moon. But if not, okay, now not only am I just not going to lose money on the day, I'm going to make money on the day no matter what, right? 4K locked in. 4K locked in. Rest running. Cool. See? And now we're chilling, guys. Now we're chilling. And what does it cost you guys? It costs you $100 a month. It costs you $100 a month to join the Telegram if you're a course member. If you're not a course member, it's $200 a month, So, like, that's nothing compared to how much we can gain. And let our members tell you how much money they're making in here, guys? So, I'm looking to short the hell out of Bitcoin, but first I'm longing it, and then I want to short it, okay? I really don't trust this Bitcoin chart right now. It's so weak, man. It really don't feel like it's going to go that much higher for some reason. Like I said, I would love for it to exceed my expectations, pump to the moon, but right now I just don't see it. But I guess it comes down to this S&P level. If the stock market can rip past this level, then we got it. But that's a reactionary thing. I don't know if the stock market's going to break past this level. I hope it does. Right? If the stock market breaks past this level, I'm going to make a lot of money. But if it doesn't, oh well, it sucks, okay? But anyways, no matter what happens, we are good. Let's go. Alright guys, this could be pretty sweet. Alright, it looks like it may want to exceed my expectations. And that's where these things get juicy, right? Because over 100 trades, don't expect 100 of them to exceed your expectations. But, this is where the money's made, okay? Is you put yourself in that position where no matter what happens, you're fine, and then let the trades out of 100, some of them are going to turn out great. Some of them are going to go pump to the fucking moon. And, that's what we want, okay? So, awesome trade today. And you saw it live how initially I lost, but it didn't emotionally deter me from what needed to be done. I understood that the trade was not invalidated, and you saw me send this all out live, right? So, and now I just hope Bitcoin pumps to the moon, but it's not a bad hope, right? Most people, they play with hope. They only rely on hope and dreams and emotions to play. Yeah, like now I hope Bitcoin pumps to the moon, but it's coming out of a good place, So there's a massive difference here. And so now this hope, I'm not attached to this hope. I just hope it goes, yeah, of course I want it to pump to the moon, right? But it's not an attachment there. And so I can detach myself from my position and jump out when I believe it's necessary. And that's how you get super effective at making money, whether the market's going to go up or down. Like I said, I am looking to short the hell out of Bitcoin, just not yet, okay? So congratulations to all our members today and crash alerts. All right, so guys, it just closed out the trade, plus 8,800. That's how it's done. So we took our first loss, but we saw the trade wasn't invalidated. It was just a little bit of an early entry. Jump right back in, stop loss in place yet again. And so in total, we risked, 2,200 on the first attempt. We risked 3,000 on the second attempt, and here we are now 8,800, right? So what we could gain was always greater than what we could lose, and that's why you're okay with losing, right? So that was the trade we took today. And congrats to all our members on a sweet, beautiful pump. I mean, we were in this trade for like 1 hour. We got in right here. 1 hour it pumps up and boom. Okay. Quick little 8,800. So guys, if you want to join the Telegram, it's the first link down below this video. This was just a, little quick pump trade, but there are way bigger trades coming up soon. I promise you, this is nothing right here. It was just a good objective trade. But the big trades are coming, and I don't want you to miss them. I'm telling you, I have some setups planned in here right now, and if they were to trigger, we're gonna make over $100,000 again this week or next week. So I have huge trades planned, guys. I want all our guys to make a lot of money. So I don't play around. I really, really try to put the most highest quality setups ever in here. And, of course, sometimes I don't send the A tier setup, but I usually say that, like, hey, this isn't the most amazing setup of all time, but so just join if you're a trader. Let's make some money on this crash because it's not over. There's a lot of money to be made, both on the long side and on the short side. We have huge trades planned up, and I don't want you to miss them. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the alerts if you're not in there already. And congrats to all our members on this trade. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.